A is for
always wear condom.
B is for
Bonehead! Here!
C is for D is for
Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean?
E is for
Everybody here is a wanker, except me and my group.
F is for G is for
Godlike.
H is for
He's been voted best band because he's got 7 personalities.
I is for
I've got 4 GCSEs, mate. I'm not silly.
J is for
Just what the world needs is another Gallagher.
K is for L is for
Love ya.
M is for
My fucking ears are in pain, fucking hearing your fucking voice, you twat.
N is for
Nobody knows it all yet.
O is for
Oh, well, I don't think you hit that note so high there.
P is for
Please, Noel. Please join us. We are not worthy.
Q. Q is for
This is the Q Awards, right? To be quite honest, you're not missing much, but it's better than watching EastEnders.
R is for
Rice Krispies in the morning makes me happy.
S is for
Sunshine.
T is for U is for
Until you've actually thrown a television set out of a window, you don't even know the feeling that the sense of joy that brings.
V is for
Very nice people.
W is for
Would Jesus Christ been a fucking pervert if he had a crisp packet on his head?
X is for
We should have started a X Factor for the drummers gig last time.
Y is for
Oh, you've got to roll with it. That's some idiot what I said.
Z is for
He was going...